Emmanuel, good morning. Good morning too. Yeah, you are good. I'm good. Okay, sawa. Kuna shida? Endelea na kazi. Guys, welcome so much to this video. My good name is Kenyasa and we are in Nandi Hills. And there's this lady called Gladys that we are actually so happy to be part of this process of getting to make her a house. We prepared the place of foundation, and right now men have climbed on that tree. There's someone over there, you can see he's actually cutting that branch, and there is this electricity wire. Yeah, it actually did a shock there. Hope you've seen that. It's still doing shocks on the other side. Okay guys, that was risky, very risky. That is Samuel boldly climbed and cut it, and these are electricity lines. We want to cut down this tree, guys, and go and use it for the posts, and we already have the instructions of the expert, and we have someone here on ground who is going to do the work today. There was a guy who was to do it in the previous video, but he's a little held up somewhere, so let us see how it will go. So bold of Samuel, bana. Hey, he's climbed up and cut. I think the company of electricity should have at least, you know, done something about these branches that are too close to the electricity and stuff. But we had to cut it because it was just not so close to it. It was not a big danger. It was just easy to cut it, and it has gone very successfully. Make sure you get to like the video, guys, and subscribe if you haven't. Let us see how it will go. I have men here who are going to help. In the previous video, guys, I had said we would want to go for cheaper means, but I don't think cheap is enough. I think it's better we just go the right way. And remember, this is a house that we're starting from zero. It's not like we had poles ready or there was a house there and then it got demolished so we would have everything. No, we're actually buying everything. And yesterday Nehemiah, who's the owner of the tree, had told us to pay 8,500 for the tree. I talked with him today in the morning with Boaz, and Boaz said, you know, I'm your brother here, you want to help me. And the guy said, I'll give you a discount of 1,500. So that's very nice bargaining, guys, and I'm very happy that it has gone like that. So we've bought this tree for only 7,000 Kenyan shillings, and it's a very heavy and big tree. It's going to give us all the posts that we need for only 7,000 Kenyan shillings, which is roughly $60, you know. Yeah, that is how simple and cheap it is to make a house in the village, guys. Just $60. You get a tree, and then cutting it down might take $20, and then carrying it, it might take $20 again. So roughly $100 for the whole process of getting the tree there. We also need to go and get a cypress tree, the same one like this. So I'll also have to buy it, and it be prepared today, transported to the site, and then tomorrow we will now get to the work of, you know, no, tomorrow is actually on Saturday. The guy who is the main person doing this is a Seventh-day Adventist like me, and it just won't be possible for him to work on Saturday. So tomorrow I'll see what we'll do, guys. Whatever will happen, you know. But so far so good, and thank you so much for being part of what is going on here, what is happening here. Sasa hapo tunakuwa na pause mpaka kamba ikuje. Okay. Aya papa sameti. Aya fika. Aya pembeleza. Emmanuel is saying, okay, hug the tree, touch the tree, you know. He's going to have to stay there until we get the rope to pull it down. So someone has gone ahead to bring the tree. We had to ask the person who lives here for permission, you know, and he agreed very fast. He was like, no problem, because there's a house down here. Mr. Dennis, unasemaje sasa?
Niko poa kabisa.
Niko poa. Watu wana vile kazi itaenda.
Tuone vile iko. Saidia ndugu yangu apate pale pa kuishi.
Guys, we are still doing a music video for Dennis. I have the footages, just editing it. We also did some new footages with the lady who had come to visit Dennis. You're going to see it soon. I've been so tight with a lot of things, guys. But I'm so happy. Bado, naenda kuedit. Emmanuel, kazi imekuwa mingi. Emmanuel was one of the dancers. Mr. Frederick. What do you say, man? How is everything?
Everything is okay.
Mbona nywele yako inakuwa kama Kisomali? By the way, jamaa kuna Usomali fulani. Oh. Guys, by the way, wanajua Maasai people. This guy is from the Maasai tribe. The Maasai people. Sasa nyumbani ni
Samburu.
Samburu. Mbona uvai? So wewe unajua hizo vitu kabisa, culture, everything. The Maasai people. Anavaa. Yeah, that's how they dance. Yeah, the Maasai people. Oh, wewe ni Mturkana ukweli? For real. There's a tribe called Turkana and he's saying, tell them I'm Turkana. He's trying to talk it, you know. Like it's like saying I'm Chinese and they're saying ching chong ching, you know. Eh? Oh. Okay. Hey, okay. Guys, there's also a Sudanese there, I'm being told. Okay, it's a whole tribes and stuff. Hebu niambie Masai huwa wanaenda, nataka nijue hiyo culture kidogo. Wanaenda tu mimi wakiwa na miaka?
Sema tu ni kama huku.
Oh, ni kama huku.
15
na tena wanakaa mwezi mmoja kama huku.
Yeah, lakini sasa waende msituni.
Oh, wanakuwa na. Yeah, I'm asking him about the circumcision cultural practice of Maasai people. You know, here you go secluded for 1 month and it's all cultural and all that. For the Maasai, he's saying it's cultural as well, but they don't go to the forest. Here you go and live in the forest. When boys are around 14. Ushajiuliza? For example, watu wenye wako America, maboi wadogo wanaendanga circumcision aje? Ama ni hospital tu na inaisha?
Wanakuja kwenda huko kwa Kenya.
Nasema sasa kama kuna mzungu wako na boy, ni hospitali tu.
Ni kama wanamaliza hospitali.
Guys, we are asking the question of how is circumcision? Yeah, how is circumcision practiced among you people, like abroad for men? Is it like when they are young? What age and how do you do it? Are they secluded for a month or it's just the hospital? You can tell me in the comment section. But natamani kujua, sijaijua. I really want I'd wish to know how the circumcision practice happens in abroad. Mr. Geoffrey. Sorry, Geoffrey. Frederick Geoffrey. How is it?
Very fine.
Yeah, the man always working with his robot. Na by the way, ni kama ishangi battery, si kama zile za
ni ya kurecharge yani. So natemeanga na battery mbili. So unaona
hey, jamaa amejipin. This guy is an artist and a half. He works with 2 batteries so that the music never stops. Okay, so it is chargeable.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, alafu sanye usikie muziki unatoa battery.
Natoa tu ndo juu unaona ile ya kunini. As in unaona iko mbali your on off.
Oh yeah. So it's a little off. So kuzima ni kutoa battery. Na kuwasha ni kuweka battery na
so unaona backup battery.
Oh, and there's a backup battery. Okay, so he's saying the button for on and off is not working. So what he does is to turn off the radio, he takes off the battery. To turn it on, he puts it on and turns it on. Hey. Struggles za usanii.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, that's so great.
Music is life, man.
That is true.
Lazima muziki tambe.
Yeah, this guy is an artist. Daddy is an artist. He is an artist. I am also an artist.
Yeah, 4 of us.
Music is so nice, guys.
4
names. Samuel hawezi imba.
Mimi ni visanga tu.
Talent yako ni hata kudance.
Kudance.
Sa talanta ni gani? Mpira? Okay. Someone says football and everything is his talent. What is jina ni?
Vincent.
Vincent, guys. This is Vincent. So when you mtu wa power saw leo? Yeah, Vincent will be the power saw guy today and doing the cutting down of the tree, guys. Vincent. Okay. Okay. Hey, look at the dogs.
Beef.
They have a beef, eh? They are both male.
This female.
Oh, this female. Okay. They are courting. They are saying, what is your name? Give me your number now.
Yeah.
He is now looking for the number. Okay. Ni aje bro? Unaitwa? Ken. Okay, so Ken ama Kieg? Ken. Guys, there's actually a home here that when the tree will fall, we want to be careful so it does not fall on the home, but the person here has given us the go ahead to do it. We have ants today. You know? We've been having rains in this village, so ants. Also how the ants are on this side. Hey, these ones can cut you. They are reddish, you know, the reddish type. The reddish type of ants. Okay, just sharing with you how the environment looks. Today we are getting the poles, guys, and then tomorrow getting the poles and the frames if possible. We finish it today, and then tomorrow we'll see if the expert will come and work, but it's on Saturday. He's most likely not to work. I have been given his name and number. I've been told he's actually the very best person to do the job. Yeah, this water is going for free. It's coming from somewhere here deep in the, you know, in the rocks here. So they just cemented it. Cement, so that all the water, instead of flowing like a river, a small river, it collects itself there, gets in here. I don't know if there is some filtration process here or anything, but sieves, I don't know what's happening here, guys. And then the water flows here, and the whole community around this place can come and get water from this place. And there's a lot of water flowing. Zero idea what this is. Is it a water tub? I think this is for the animals to drink water. So you come with a bucket, you take it, you pour it here, you take the water, you pour it here, and then here. This is just a jungle-ish something. I see bamboos, I see all that, guys. So this is very nice, and that is how the environment looks on this other side, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for a lot of great comments. Guys, thank you. I really appreciate. We are trying our best to at least establish the home for Gladys so that she can have a good home and all that. I'm just so happy that we are actually doing this for her. And she's on the other side. I think we left her washing utensils, and I think maybe now she's gone to the site where we are making the house for her. So yeah, let's make it happen for Gladys. Remember, guys, I keep letting you guys know that the windows are open for anyone who wants to support with anything. You know, you can actually support Vanessa with anything. You can decide, let me support her with the iron sheets, let me support her with the buying of a tree. So that way we are going to be a team of people who are making it, because so far it's actually been her who's been helping here and there, and I will be very happy if we can be, all of us, we do it. That would be so much great, guys. So if you want to chip in and help, come to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is right there. You can say, I want to help you guys maybe with lunch for the days that you'll be working. 1,000 shillings every day. We buy flour. Like yesterday I gave out 1,000 shillings from my side, so I could it's not like I have money. No, all the money I have from the sponsor side, I don't touch that. That belongs to the work, okay? And the amount of money that I have remained with is that now we'll definitely go to this side of buying the trees and everything. So after that, remember, I also have to pay them labor. I also have to, yeah, so the window for helping financially and all that is still very open. If you want to chip in, you want to help and all that, I'll be very much grateful, guys. Yeah, so you can see, let me be buying the food for you people, 1,000 shillings every day. That will be very, very much great, because this is a very good cause we are following and a very good thing we are doing for my community, and people all over this area are so happy that this is happening. So guys, be part of us, you know, in whatever way you can. So if you want to tap in and help, please tap in. Yeah, I think in the previous video I said I have a tight budget, okay, for the whole process. And a tight budget might mean you don't want to push things when you could have pushed it a little, bought something a little, instead of $50, maybe it's $70, and it's better than the $50 thing. You know, so if you had some fund more, you would buy something. And I put everything that is sent in the very, for work is work and all that. So that is what I do. And when you saw me buying them lunch yesterday for 1,000 shillings, in the video I'll do today, you'll understand where the money came from too. Yeah, so you'll understand. It's not like Kenyasa has money, no. I actually don't. I just have, you hustle, you get something and all that, but I can't tell you that I have money that I can buy people this and that. I know you guys understand. So the rope has finally come, and it's about time they tie it, and then they'll tie it to the tree, and then it will be pulled to this side as it's being cut. Okay, so let us see this process now. Vincent and Emmanuel there. We're having someone. These are the type. Very strong type. To pull the tree. We have a guy who knows how this work is done. So. Okay. He got it.
Alafu ushuke na hiyo kamba hivi upatane huko.
That is Samuel on top.
Mambo ya kuachia watu wanaenda wanakatakata kidogo kidogo.
Rasa anakuja kutuomba huko kuna avocado naenda kufuruta. Naenda kufurutia tractor. Ina ile
See, some people come and borrow the rope and they say they want to pull a tree, and then they go and pull a tractor with it, and it destroys the rope. Someone tells you, please assist me with the rope, I want to go and pull down a tree I'm cutting in my place, but they go and use it to pull a tractor, so it gets to destroy the rope. Okay, that is Samuel on top of the tree. I have the tools here for the, power saw which is coming. Oh, kumbe hata ishafika. It is right there. The power saw is right here. Unajua kutumia kitu? My friend, utaji, wewe. Hii kitu ni karibu pesa ngapi? 90k. Guys, it's 90,000 in Kenya. Buying this, you need 90,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yana maganda mwana ke?
Kena, mangabe kapsa zimiri.
Mamianye.
Ni ngotare. Mamurmure kwe.
Oh, 90,000. Vincent, kumbe hatujaongea hata biashara?
Oh, si tija sala mlikuwa monge.
Oh, kumbe ni
Same.
okay,
Yes,
no
yes,
problem, no problem, no problem.
Maneno na matanga.
Nilikuwa nafikiri ni different. Okay.
Ah, ibu waske.
Hapo ndio ule vitu chokora, anaona?
Wolu vikiora.
Terkena hati.
Yes, terkena.
Terkena tinjoni. Ile ndio. Huyo ama yao hii. Ndio misanga na yao hii. Anaita situ.
Amen.
Ibu na just terkena hati ndio nami ana mangita. Just terkena hati ndio mana mata.
Kele ane. Agere.
Wewe ndugu yangu.
Wewe tumisa?
Ni sawa ile. Nigala.
Hey, hakuna kitu hujui. There's nothing Emmanuel does not know.
Jangan.
Ibu tek kidogo.
Kita tamu.
Yeah,
Ujanja.
Kumeteleza. It is a whole dangerous machine. Very dangerous machine.
Yeah.
So the testing is good. Please, Samuel has reached very much on top. Sorry I didn't show you how he should have shown you how he did it slowly by slowly. He is right there, you can see that. There he is. Wasemaje? Okay. So they think they'll have to cut the branches that are on this side so that the weight of the tree won't be on this side. When they cut these branches off, the weight will lie on the other side. So in that rope now, Geoffrey right here is tying the machete, and then it will be pulled by Samuel to go on top, and you see to cut the branches off.
Chila.
He has to tie it very well because if it goes up, then it falls. But the good thing there's no one here, so we'll have to just go
Nimeshafunga. Alafu uchunge hiyo branch, ona isishike hii branch, nataka tu ikifika hapo. Una nini?
This dog is actually called Tunji. Tunji. called Tunji. Tunji.
Acha nimwambie nisalimie uone. Kuja nisalimie. Salimia Tunji.
Hey, knows how to say hi.
Salimia na hii. Salimia na hii.
Okay. Ah, that's very, very nice.
Salimia na hii.
Hey, umeitrain kweli.
Tunji.
Tunji.
Haya, tuanze race.
Okay. Guys, that is something. Tunji.
Tunji. Alia. Oh.
So.
Dewi tahu buka masih itu.
That's what it says.
Angkat tangan lu.
They're playing. Hey, kwani hiyo panga ni sharp aje? That's a very sharp machete. And Samuel is very strong because he just cut it once and
Masih kuno tu. Masih kuno.
sasa hii itakaukia hapo. The branch was cut by it hung there. And there's a house there. But the good thing we have the expert here, so he oversees it. Yeah, he can't cut the ones that can fall on the house, you know. Okay guys, we are on process to get this tree down. Yeah? He's saying I listen here pain. More of like I feel pain here, so I listen pain here because it's nasikia in Swahili, direct translation. Yeah. Guys, Manuel ulikuwa ushafika nyumbani. Manuel. Guys. What? Yeah, there's been electricity. There's the electricity thing here, so it's really been. That is very dangerous, by the way. But yeah. Yeah, now it's just touching and shocking and it will leave. It's shocked and it kept leaving, but the expert did not even run. He did not even run. He says it's only dangerous when the wires touch and they are clogged, you know, like clogged. Now that can be dangerous. But now they touch and it's not bad.
Okay.
He's now dropping. Hey, Mr. Samuel. Umefanya kazi bana. Samuel has done some very good job. You listen where?
Need medicine to touch.
To touch. Hey. The electricity thing got us running. Anyway guys, Okay, so he's also tied the rope on the tree. Na record. Kuongea bado. Sasa ni kurecord tu. It's not live. Mr. Samuel. Hey, man of the day.
Si rahisi bwana.
Hiyo kazi ni ngumu.
Hadi unabuga moto.
No man.
This guy has really... Not everyone can have the courage to do that, so... Samuel.
Safi.
Okay. Guys, let us go and now see the part where they are pulling it. See how it will be pulled.
Sura karat para kwa sababu nini?
It's been tied over there.
Awandalia nguo chini na.
Oh yeah? The other day Gladys was plucking there.
Metals. Kuna? Huyu jamaa amesema atupei miti. Tunamfanyia na ngapi?
Atupei next.
Atupei next. Juu amesema hata nikiwacha hii nitakupaki peke yangu.
Okay.
Amesema tumpe na ngapi?
Tunaongea nani sasa?
Ni yeye huyu.
Neema.
Huyu.
Huyu nani?
Huyu ni mwenye hii kampuni.
Oh, mwenye hapa. Kwa hivyo anasema atupe na hiyo.
Atupe na hiyo.
Oh, atupe na hiyo miti.
Sasa hii
Niongee na fundi saa hii nimuulize vizuri kwa sababu wako amenipanga miti ngapi alafu imekatika. Tuongee na huyu fundi. Kwa hivyo anatupea na discount kazuri, si ndio? Ni kama akitupea
mimi nataka tuongee, atuambie sasa atatupea na.
Sasa unaona aje maneno?
Ingine.
Mimi sijui Boaz alikuwa anasema miti moja inatosha.
Unajua? Hii
hata hii kipaki
haita
nini juu.
Unajua ile nataka 800 feet. Alafu hii inatoa hata haijai nini?
Hata haijai.
Haijai hata tosifanya hata. Food hata.
Sasa huyu jamaa anaongelea
Wewe expert anakuambia ni anataka post ngapi?
Alisema around 60 actually.
60.
Alisema around 60. Buto ulize Boaz vizuri. Ni 2 bedroom house.
2 bedroom?
2 bedroom.
Sasa mwenye mliongea na ule alikwambia inaweza toa karibu 40.
Karibu 40. Teacher alikuwa anasema 45 there. 40 45.
Guys, in case tu nini tu ndio ujazie hizi.
Si ndio
ujazie hizi.
Sasa hakuna haja hata muongee na fundi juu. Fundi hata anasema brosmate yake, hata sisi tunasema brosmate yetu, alafu kesho tukisindilia hivi mchanga hivi hatutaki space.
Sasa huyu jamaa atatupea miti nyingine na ngapi tena?
Jo, nataka tuongee
naye.
Tujue alafu.
Yes. So guys, what we are saying is there's an extra tree here which there's no need for you to remain there. We can be given at I believe a lower price. So we want to pull the tree on this side. Of course, I'm going to get out of here and we're going to get out of here. But they're not cutting yet. So we are going to talk to I wish Boaz angeona. Lakini si hata Vincent anajua hivi. Vincent? Unasema hii itatolea posts ngapi ukiapproximate?
Unaona hapo iko karibu 45 to 50.
Around 45 to 50.
Not even tuseme 40 to 45.
Yeah, acha tuulize Boaz sasa how many posts? Akisema you'll need 60 there. We'll have to also see if we can cut that. Okay, I'm calling the main guy.
Sasa hii. Ngela kama hii tosep kya birbe. Kama je hii to mame kama je. Kama hii bua mwanek.
So Boaz. Yes. How many posts in total? Around how many? How many posts?
Again
60, yeah? 60 posts. Okay, sawa. Bado tunashughulikia hii blue gum kwanza. Sasa tulikuwa nafikiri hii blue gum moja inaweza toa 40. Na wananiambia kuna miti ingine hapa labda tuongeze itatoa around 20. So tunafanya approximation yetu. Ndio nilitaka kukuuliza ndio tukate the second one pia. Sawa. Allah. So guys, he's saying we'll need 60 posts and we want to cut the second tree also. Aya. Sasa kopi yule jamaa. Emmanuel. Tuongee sasa na mwenye tuongee na yeye bei ya hii miti ya pili. Sasa tuongee na Neema.
Neema kwa kwanza. Tumeshamaliza Neema.
Okay.
Sasa kuna hivi kuja hivi.
Sawa.
Organize ni rahisi.
Hadi mama Neema. Mama Neema.
Baba yata.
Okay, so the tree is
so hii.
Sasa hii inafaa itupee around pesa ngapi? Kama tumepata hii na 7 hii tunafaa kupata na kitu kama
Tutatupea na 2000.
By the way.
Nimeonea.
So we are going to get it at a very low price, we believe, which is 2000. Very, you know. So we want to call the man of this house who will sell for us the second tree, and we are going to really make sure we bargain it. 07
0750
15
50
50 okay. 50
137
137
731
731. Okay. Ama Boaz ungefanya maneno. Ungefanya maneno ndio muongea urafiki ya kibeste.
Waje nimsaidie na Sonko. Hao jamaa ni mzuri sana.
Okay, he's a good guy.
Okay. Ana hii? Hai. Ndago ni ntuko una. Ndago ni ntuko una.
Kenapa?
2000.
2000.
Inge ngamwa juga kuna ameje imwa juga takasa. Maite wayo. To maite. Maite wala. Maite. Sasa hii. Umefinya paa pato.
Umefinya paa? Kweli kabisa wewe mwenyewe ama ni yeye?
Mimi nimefinya.
Oh, he actually
Turudia.
cut it off.
Yeye anapenda akiona nini? Nice.
Sasa wewe mwa.
Unapenda ukiona.
Endelea.
Si lazima uone nice bora usikie.
Agera ka ngalale ko tila kamwa eh.
Wai.
Ndande unsomo ko une.
Yajilo. Gogo yetiete da.
Torete kora ya mu ya otageje kiwa manuna ta bata itorete kiwa mu.
Data tubate baba moto baki.
Bado tunabeba, unajua bado tuko na.
Ngele tage nye bi kora jelo jelion sasa.
Tusaidia kabisa.
Reduce no kityo.
Wamejaga saba ichie ngune anyoleja amu acha geti angen nguni kele yaje aje ngake kora kwa mesa mi kene kwa mesa teje nya. Ngune ni nda kwa mu kityo ngugeta sai konguma ngete ni ko mi ngwan kwa meto ko eta kidogo.
Sasa hata atupunguzie tupate hata ya mtu mmoja.
Anasema kama hivyo nataka kutumia kubali tutafanya. Sasa tufanyaje wetu? Anasema ana plan.
Hakuna hata kama 200 tunaweza kwa hapo. Ngumu.
Ambia 32.
Ambia 32. 33. Guys, we are trying to. The man said 4,000. We said 2,000. We came to 3,000. We said you need to go up. We said 32. Jamaa bana hata hataki kutuachia hata kama 200 jamani. Even 200. We are trying to discount here so.
Amwa eh. To ibe 32 basa golange go chitos para urina go ibuna chito transport kidogo.
Atusaidie bwana.
Ndio 32 to yata. To na
sawa, asante. Tu.
Haya ngongwe.
Sasa tufanye hiyo maneno.
Bas.
Nice guys. Emmanuel has done his best. At least he's agreed to spare some $2 for us. Guys, if you're just joining this video, it's still a process of getting to build a house for Gladys. We've already gotten a tree and so nimtumia direct yeye. Okay, so I'll just send the money to him.
Tupiga Safaricom. Unajua tumechukua ya Airtel.
Oh, naona si mbaya. He's actually a very good person, you know, and understands. So he lives right here and he's agreed, the falling of the tree can hit this place, and he still said, no problem, we are neighbors.
Amaje yako namba je Safaricom mwagero wa pa Airtel.
Okay. 60 poles.
But you tell this guy we don't deal with motherfucking people like this.
What is wrong with him?
We've been calling him for a long time. And the time is running.
The name is who?
My name is Dixon.
Dixon, guys. This is Dixon. Dixon is okay. Oh, yeye pia atatusaidia hapa. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See the falling tree, man.
Falling tree man.
Yeah.
So this is the falling tree man.
Yeah. Falling tree man.
Ngoja sasa kazi yake itakuwa gani? Hakuna shida.
Can you remove this?
Mamingala. There's no problem.
No, najua watu wana smoke. Yeah.
Lakini shida ni hivi tunatumia ile kubole. Hao wanatumia ile 17.
Bali hata mkono inafika bwana.
He's smoking and everyone was like, maybe he needs to turn off the smoke for the video, and I'm telling them no problem,
Ili kama imechomwa makaa.
But Dixon is saying this cigarettes with smoking is so cheap and that you people smoke more expensive ones, so you won't relate, but yeah. So mmesema falling tree man.
Yeah, falling tree man.
Kazi yake ni?
Falling tree man, Pawasoma.
Okay.
He's the one doing this.
Okay. Falling tree man. Okay. And yet I want to see his work.
Raw you know. Avocado you know. Ngonyu. Agi chasi ke gitu do.
Ini sekarang ini sekarang.
Yeah.
Makoi tarpo gidi.
We have untied
You want tied there?
the chain.
Okay.
We have untied.
Awat wa orang yani ingkele kata begitu bela.
This guy must be helped. Can you see that phone? It is being dropped.
Oh yeah.
It's being dropped.
By the way, the girl and it is being roped because it's been tied with a rope. The phone that the lady is working with. So Dixon is saying maybe we need to. She should be able to even have a new phone. Eish. Okay, let's see the work of the falling tree man. Falling tree man, okay. And we have men down there who are yeah. Sasa hapo kwa labor I'll need only the exact number of people who should work. So they asking me if I'll hire more people and sasa hii ni kazi bado yenye
ama yastwanget koro.
One, two, three. Kuna watu watano wenye Vanessa alisema ni wazuri sana. waendelee kufanya kazi kabisa.
Okay, sawa.
Wale watano wenye walifanya jana. So sidhani hao hata siwezi guza. I'm saying guys, Vanessa said actually there are 5 people here who worked that day and I should not, like, they are good people. They, what was the word she used actually? She said candidates, yeah, the right candidates, they doing the work. Okay guys, so there's the pulling of the tree. Lakini kazi ikiwa tutaongeza wengine watakuwa ndani.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But the 5. Mr. Samuel,
Yes, yes.
unainonga chuma?
Hapana.
Hii ni mwili yako natural uongo.
Hapo nasuza majamaa wako.
Hey, I'm asking Samuel, do you lift weights or he says it's only food? African kills. Yeah, that is true. Guys, so I want to run on the other side first. So, I'm in people's farm, guys. Okay. By the way, the falling tree man is actually the power saw man. I'm going to... The power saw man is already cutting the tree there. The falling tree man, they're calling him that. Hii tunzi inafaa itoke hapa. I'm trying to chase that dog away so you don't have the tree fall on it. Men are here at work. Yeah, they are pulling, guys. Okay. I'm going to stand on this side. I hope it goes well. I'm not getting a very good angle here, guys. A safe angle. Eh? Nafikiri ametuma. Okay, guys, let's see. Yeah, they're telling the girl who wants to pass with the water, wait, please. Guys, it's about to fall. It's about to fall. It is about to be fallen. I want to stay very far. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm very afraid. I cannot. So he's telling them it's about to fall. And the tree is coming, guys. It's falling now. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. The expert guy does not even run. Samuel is saying some people are afraid of dying. Okay. It has gone straight down. Emmanuel?
Yes.
Where ulikuwa umefika? Hey, kifo ni mbaya.
Death is bad.
Death is so bad. So people ran away, you know? That is the tree. Very good work. Went very well. Falling tree man. This is the guy who has fallen this tree. They're telling him he missed a little. The falling tree man?
Yeah, 3 falling man.
Unaona venye imeku... Good work. Kazi mzuri.
Unataka mangombe.
Anza kufungua hii. Fungua hii waya.
It is new clothes. Deacon says it is new clothes. Okay. That is the tree.
That for inside.
Plus?
That for inside.
By the way.
That's small. Small cloth inside.
Small cloth inside. Guys, it's heavy. It's big. Imekoma. It has ripened. It is ripened. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The tree has been put down. Anyway, guys. So Vincent is asking, could there be 12 posts? Nitaonyesha example hapa. I want to measure and see how many posts and everything can come out of this. Tunapiga 9 eh? 9. Okay. Anasema 8 to 9, nafikiri 29.
Cha 29 ndio anda nini? Kuliko iko fupi. Alafu unajua hapo kuna penye itabidi mechimbwa ni kubwa sana.
Oh yeah, kweli. So another one.
Ajuda. Gimana kale? Yes. Sekarang mesti kidogo lakini ngata. Kakajila. Asa gini baada ya mu.
Mr. Emmanuel. Unaonaje hii kazi?
Papasa pawaso.
Zag dia mangati zibri.
Ada gojunu kuna. Oscar.
Yo. Ala sag apa mangati zibri.
Yalla. Ya? Aku ni dah pada mangene. Ibu ini, na bola ya? Na bola. Ya?
Nampak.
Yalla.
Anyway guys, thank you for watching. They are still going on with the process and watch the next video guys. We are doing this. Nataka mniambilie bye bye.
Bye bye.